Welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to cut a new threaded kaftan with an elastic rubber at the sleeve. Here I'm using a chiffon material with 3 yards. So the next thing I'm going to do here is that I'm going to fold this into 2 first. After folding it into 2 like this, I'm going to fold it into 4 like this. So this is into 4. The next thing I'm going to do here is to take the measurement. The length of the kaftan here is 55. So with the sewing allowance, I'm going to make it 57. That will make it 2 inches allowance. This is 57. So from here, I'm going to measure my shoulder length. The shoulder I'm using here is 7.5. So I'm going to measure the neck. The wideness of the neck, I'm using 3.5 here for the wideness. So the deepness of the neck, I'm using 3 for the deepness of the neck. Then I'm going to round it. So I'm going to round it like this. This is the roundness of the neck. So from this neck, I'm going to measure the sleeve, the longness of the sleeve, where I want it to reach. So I'm using 22 here. That will be the longest of the sleeve. So from here again, I'm going to measure to the knee length. So my knee length here, I'm using 33. So from here again, from the neck here again, I'm going to make a slant to 22 here. The shoulder is not straight, the shoulder is slant. Like this. So from the neck side here, I'm going to measure 14 here, the wideness of the knee here. So then I'm going to slant it up here. Then I can cut now. I'm going to start from the neck, which is the wideness, the deepness of the neck to the wideness of the neck. So from the neck, I'm going to make a slant. Then I'm going to cut the length here. here is it. This is the shoulder, this is the neck, and this is the length. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to notch where the elastic rubber is going to be at the sleeve side. So my elastic rubber is going to occupy up to like 6.5 inches. So I'm going to notch it. So here is it. This is where I'm going to put my elastic rubber. So let me open it for you. So this is how it's going to be. This is the neck, and this is my sleeve here. This is the shoulder, and this is the main length. So you join it here, stop here for the rubber. So you join it from the shoulder here. Join it. When you get here, you stop. You stop for the rubber. You're going to put the elastic rubber you're putting. So you start from here again. Then join it to the bottom. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.